Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here then hi, my name is Tejal. So today I'm gonna do a haul video. It's like a collective haul. I have purchased a lot of things from Nykaa, Minimalist and also from Sugar Cosmetics. So if you want to know what all I have purchased, then please keep on watching. But before starting this video, please go ahead and subscribe to my channel and also hit on that bell icon so that you get notified every time I upload a new video. And also do follow me on my Instagram. My handle is Tejal_Palyekar. And yeah, now let's get started with the video. So here are all the products that I have purchased. As you can see, there is a lot of boxes in here. So yeah, let's see what all I have purchased. First, I will show you all what all I got from Nykaa. First product I got is this Inside Cosmetic Matte Lipstick, and this is how the outer packaging looks like. I got two shades in this. First is Nude Coffee and second is Bonbon. It's a beautiful brown shade and a beautiful nude shade as well. I will show you all. These are the two lipsticks that I got. I will quickly swatch it as well for you guys. So this is the shade Nude Coffee. It's a beautiful peach nude shade, and the second shade is like a dark brown shade. This is the shade Bonbon. It's a beautiful brown shade. I really like both the shades. The Nude Coffee one, I like to wear it with a lip liner because on its own it doesn't look that flattering on my skin tone, so I like to use it with a lip liner. And the brown shade is absolutely nice. I love it. And this was just for 80 rupees. Then next I got this Inside Cosmetic Long Wear Color Rich Lip Gloss as well. This is how it looks like. And I got this in the shade number 4 Millionaire. It's a beautiful like dark brown shade. I have done a whole review on this lip glosses, so if you want to check it out, I will leave it on the I button right here and also in the description box. So after this video you can go ahead and check that one out. I will swatch it right here. So you see, it's a beautiful dark brown shade. I really like this lip glosses. It's really nice, and this just retails for 81 rupees, and it's a steal deal, you guys. You should definitely check this one out. I have more shades in this, but that I got it from purple.com. So if you haven't watched my purple haul as well, I will mention it on the I button and also in the description box, so you can go ahead and watch that. Then next I got this Inside Cosmetic Color Rich Lipstick as well. Now this is how it looks like. It's a really nice lipstick. I really like this shade of this, and I got this in the shade number 15 Terracotta. It's a beautiful nude shade, and this one is from their creamy range, like creamy matte lipstick, and I will swatch it right here. So as you can see, it's a beautiful nude shade. I absolutely love this particular shade, and that's the reason I got it. Like, Inside Cosmetic has a really nice lipsticks. I love their lipstick, and that's the reason I got it. I haven't like tried this one, like this particular range. Now this one just retails for 125 rupees. I personally love this Inside Cosmetic lipstick because firstly they are very affordable, and also the quality of the lipsticks is really nice. So yeah, I really like this one as well. Then next I got this Inside Cosmetic nail polish. Now this is how it looks like, and I got this in the shade number 28. There's no name, there's just number. This is how it looks like. I really like this particular nail color. I'm super excited to wear it. I haven't worn it yet, but yeah, I'm super excited to wear this particular shade. And also the quantity feels a lot, like the size of it is actually pretty good. Or else nowadays nail polishes come in very small packaging, so this I feel is really nice. It contains, I guess, it contains 9 ml of product, so yeah, that is a lot. And also it retails for 65 rupees. I haven't used it, so I can't really tell about the quality, but yeah, it's really nice. I got this nail polish just for the color. I don't have anything like this, like a blue shade. It's really nice. I'm super excited to try it out. Now that I got so many things from Inside Cosmetics, so I got a free gift as well. Now this is the Inside Matte Lip Ink. This is how the outer packaging looks like. So this is basically like 2-in-1 product. So there's a lipstick, like a liquid lipstick one side, and there's a lip gloss as well. So this is how it looks like. One side you get this lipstick, like a liquid lipstick, and on other side you get this lip gloss, which is really nice. I have used the lip gloss, but I haven't used the lipstick yet. I will swatch it as well for you guys. It's in the shade number 03 Reckless. So I'm gonna swatch it right here. So this is the swatch. It's like a pink shade, very beautiful pink, like a fuchsia pink. So yeah, it's right here. This is the shade, and this is like a normal clear lip gloss. Next I got this Blue Heaven Intense Matte Lipstick. Now this is how it looks like, and I got this in the shade Chocolate Swirl number 307. It's a beautiful brown shade. I will swatch it right here. So this is the swatch right here, as you can see, and this retails for 100 rupees. It's a beautiful lipstick. I really like this color as well. It's a beautiful like brown nude shade. Then next I got this nail paint. This is Faces Canada Splash Nail Polish. This is what it looks like, and I got this in the shade number 41 Voila. It's a beautiful lilac shade. This is the nail paint that I'm actually wearing today on my nails. It's a beautiful lilac shade. But overall this nail polish is really nice. I absolutely love it, and this nail polish retails for 109 rupees, but I got it on some discount. Then next I got the Swiss Beauty 12-hour Stay Matte Lip Crayon. Now this is how the outer packaging looks like. I got this in the shade number 21 Brownie Point. So this is what the lip crayon looks like. It's a beautiful brown shade with a hint of red to it. This is what the shade looks like. It's a beautiful brown shade. I really liked it. I haven't used it yet. It's very creamy. So yeah, I love this lip crayon. This retails for 299 rupees, but I got it on some discount. And then the last product is this lip liner. This is by Swiss Beauty. I will open it and I will show you guys. So this is what the lip liner looks like. It's a brown lip liner that I got, and I got this in the shade Coffee Brown. This retails for 65 rupees, and it's a beautiful like dark brown lip liner. I will swatch it right here. You see, oh my god, it is very pigmented as well. So that was all the things that I got from Nykaa. I know there were a lot of lip product itself, but yeah, I wanted to try more lip products, so that's the reason I purchased that itself. So now let's see what all I got from Minimalist. Now I have two boxes with me, and I want to show you all the packaging of it. And it comes in this cute packaging. As you can see, they have this, I don't know what this is, but this small detailing really looks cute. So yeah, I really liked this thing about them. So let's see what all I have purchased. I don't have a lot of products from them. So the first thing that I got is this Minimalist Vitamin C 10% plus AG 1%. This is how it looks like. So this retails for 699 rupees, and this contains 30 ml of product. I haven't like used it yet. This is what the bottle looks like. Now it also comes with a dropper, which is really nice. I haven't used it yet. I will soon start using it. I heard great things about this serum, so I'm super excited to try it out, and let's see how it works. If you guys want any review about any particular product, then do let me know in the comments down below. I will love to do it for you guys. Then next I got this Minimalist Speticum 3% plus oat moisturizer. This is how the outer packaging looks like. Now again, haven't used this one as well. This retails for 349 rupees, which is pretty inexpensive. And this contains 50 ml of product in it. I will open it and I will show you guys. So this is what the moisturizer looks like. It's really nice packaging. I really liked it. I haven't used it. Let's see. Oh, it's like a cream moisturizer, as you can see. It also comes with a lid, which is nice. Then next I got this Minimalist Retinol 0.3% plus Q10. Now this is how it looks like. Again, I haven't opened this yet, and I haven't used it as well. Now this one I haven't purchased. I actually got it as a free gift from Minimalist. So they were basically hosting a giveaway on the Instagram. So basically I was the winner there. So yeah, I got this free, but I'm just gonna open it. I haven't used it yet, and this is how it looks like. So I will soon start using it as well. Now this originally cost rupees 599, which is like an okay product for retinol. It's really nice. So yeah, that's the last product from Minimalist. Now let's see what all I got from Sugar Cosmetics. So yeah, let's open this box. The first thing first, I really like that they come in like this kind of a pouch. So everything is inside this particular pouch itself. So yeah, I really like that. Like all the products, whatever you purchase comes like this, I guess. So this was the first time I actually purchased from their own website, or normally I get Sugar Cosmetics from Nykaa itself. So I got it from their own website because there was a really nice deal. Like if you purchase about like 1000 rupees, you get some products free as well. So the first thing that I got is this Sugar Magic Wand waterproof concealer, and this is how it looks like from outside. I got this in the shade number 40, and this is how the concealer looks like. Now it's not like my shade match. It's a really nice highlighting concealer, I would say. I will give you guys a quick swatch as well. I will swatch it right here. So as you can see, this is the swatch. I guess it's a highlighting concealer for me. I haven't used it, so yeah, let's see. I will use it super soon. It is a bit expensive, I will say that. Like Sugar in general, like Sugar Cosmetics in general, I feel it's a bit pricey. Now this one retails for 799 rupees. It's almost like 800. Then next I got this Sugar blush as well. I got this in the shade number 4 Salmon Superstar. This is how it looks like. And this is what the shade looks like. I personally love this particular shade. Oh my god, it's very pigmented. I will swatch it right here. Oh my god, love this particular shade. Super excited to use this. These are very creamy as well, like buttery in texture. So this is the blush. I really like this. This retails for 349 rupees. So I got this 2 products and I got this 2 products free with it. So this is the pouch that I got free. Now to be honest, the size is pretty small. I will open and show you guys. So this is what the pouch looks like. I really like the color and everything, but it's very small. It is pretty small, as you can see. I expected it to be like a makeup pouch so that I can store my makeup in it, but it's not like that. It's a normal pouch, but yeah, it's okay. It's a free gift. So yeah, I'm fine with it. And the second free gift that I got is this Sugar Base of Glory Pore Minimizing Primer, and this is how the outer packaging looks like. I really like it. I actually wanted to try this primer and I'm so happy that I got it free. And this one retails for 799 again. So this is what the primer looks like. It's a really nice primer. It's actually a silicone based primer if I'm not wrong. Yes, it is a silicone based primer, and I have heard such a great review about this product, so I'm super excited to try it out. I'm gonna soon use this as well. And yeah, that was the last product actually, and those were all the things that I purchased. I hope you like this video. If you did like this video, then please hit the like button, and also don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more such videos like this. And beside the subscribe button, there's a bell icon, so don't forget to hit that bell icon as well, so that you get notified every time I upload a new video. So that's it. Bye bye. See you in my next one.